Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. And I wanted to make this video to ask you guys a question, to get your opinion. So I really need your help. So I'm living here in Connecticut right now, and that's where I am. And if you can see outside, it is starting to snow out. And we're supposed to get a huge storm. So we're supposed to get a huge storm in Connecticut. And as you guys know, I sell on eBay. I have two people who help out in the warehouse, and with there being a big storm coming tomorrow, we've got a bunch of items that need to get shipped out, almost 20 items, and it's going to be really dangerous to drive. It's going to be extremely dangerous to drive. So the question I have for you is, when there's a big snowstorm or it's really dangerous out, or there's something going on that causes like just issues, is eBay's algorithm sophisticated enough to pick up on the fact that we may not be able to send out the items on time? Are we still going to get our metrics damaged? Are we still going to get our metrics dinged? Because if you want to remain a top-rated seller, which we are right now on eBay, you've got to keep your metrics up to a certain standard, certain, quality of customer service, certain standard when it comes to your shipping, a whole bunch of different metrics. So will eBay know that there's a storm in Connecticut, and will they give us a break? Or will we get penalized for not shipping out tomorrow? One of the keys to having success in an eBay business or any business in general is planning ahead. So I'm trying to plan some things out right now to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow, because we got to get these items out to the customers if eBay's not going to give us any leeway. So leave a comment down below. Please help us out and let us know what your thoughts are. And I really appreciate that. Until then, see you in the next video. Keep on picking and making that money. Peace.